It's February the 5th, 2012. We're driving home from Stratford after enjoying a snowball fight. Here is all the snow on us. Driving conditions are quite difficult. Quite nice. It looks like all of London has been dusted by icing sugar. What do you think, Gemfi?
Obviously very difficult conditions on the road. They haven't gritted the roads at all. I think it's caught everybody by surprise. The cars are going very, very slowly, as you can see. It's going to take us a little while to get home. Can't really see where we're going. The mirrors aren't that useful at the moment. Snow everywhere, very low visibility. But yeah, this is snow in England, London, in February. If you look looking on the dashboard, sometimes I get the little skidding thing. Do you see that? No, no, not. Sometimes you see it. See that? See it?
I can't see it on the camera.
Can you see this?
I can't see anything on the camera.
But can you see this?
Yeah. Oh, I see that yellow that
It
flights
means
up.
we're losing traction on the road here.